Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're staring at that frustrating F01 error code on your Maytag dryer from the 2025 models, you're not alone. This common issue can halt your laundry routine, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through a simple fix that could save you a service call. Let's dive in and get your dryer running smoothly again. First things first, what exactly is the F01 error? It typically signals a problem with the dryer's control board or a stuck button, often caused by wear and tear or a power surge. The good news is that many cases can be resolved with basic troubleshooting right at home. Before we start, safety is key. Always unplug your dryer from the wall outlet to prevent any electrical accidents. Give it a minute or two to discharge any residual power. Step 1. Inspect the control panel. Carefully check all the buttons for any that might be jammed or not popping back up properly. Use a soft cloth to gently clean around them. Sometimes lint or debris is the culprit. Press each button a few times to see if it frees up. Step 2. If that doesn't do the trick, try a reset. Unplug the dryer for at least 5 minutes, then plug it back in and power it on. This simple reboot can clear temporary glitches in the system. Step 3. If the error persists, you may need to look at the control board. This involves removing the back panel, but only if you're comfortable with DIY repairs. Check for loose wires, corrosion, or any visible damage. If you spot issues, you might need to tighten connections or replace the board. Parts are readily available online. Remember, if these steps don't resolve the problem or if you're unsure about handling electrical components, it's time to call a professional technician. Attempting advanced fixes without expertise could lead to more costly repairs. And there you have it. Your Maytag dryer should be back in action. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more home appliance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy fixing.